Hi guys, welcome back to the Guilt-Free Kitchens cooking channel. Today we are eating our colors, and here is to encourage you to eat your vegetables in different interesting ways and styles. So I'll be starting off with crusty pan-grilled chicken breast. I'm beating to tenderize the meat. To get the crusty feel, I'll be using the dry rub method to marinate the chicken. The marinade is a combination of suya spice, mixed spices, grated ginger, garlic and onions, black pepper. I use some coconut sugar for a little sweetness and crustiness, dry pepper, paprika and some olive oil. So I'll be marinating this chicken for about 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight in the refrigerator before going ahead to pan grill. Please remember that you can make use of your air fryer or oven, or if you have your skillet as well, you can make use of that. If you're allergic to pepper, please remember to protect your hands. Don't be like me. I personally really like the natural crust that the bare cast iron gives. It's different, the taste is different, it has this natural flavor. I'll grease the skillet using grass-fed butter. You can make use of oil, and I'll place the chicken fillet on the skillet and let it grill on each side for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to set aside so we can go ahead to make our salad mix. Please remember to subscribe, like, share this video with a loved one. Thank you so much for the love so far. So I'm cutting mine in chunks. You can decide to leave it whole or cut into chunks. Now it's time for the salad mix. Look at the spread of loaded ingredients that we have. This is to encourage you to eat your grains as much as possible. Now I have my shredded cabbage. I'm tossing together with the shredded carrots. Look how juicy the carrot looks. Tossed together, I'm going to add chopped cucumber and chopped grapes, sliced lettuce, mango cubes. Mango is in season now, so I'm taking in as much as I want. You can decide to replace with any other fruit of your choice. Pomegranate seeds as well, lettuce. Toss it all together, and we are going to be serving on a bed of lettuce. Look at the beautiful color that we have now. This is the pomegranate seeds. I love the crunch that it adds to the salad. Anything crunchy, you'd find me there. Making my bed of lettuce, I'll be serving the mixed vegetables on it. I have my guacamole. I made that using ripe avocados and some mixed spices inclusive of lemon juice. I'm going to place it there as a dressing. You can make use of any dressing of your choice, or decide to eat it like that if you can. That's my guacamole. I have some avocado here, placing on the side, garnishing with it. I'm going to add in some plum tomatoes and sliced cucumbers, as well as some lemon cubes. I'd also be garnishing with this mango that I have diced up nicely. You can cut your mango across and just make cubes along the lines using a sharp knife. It's for garnish sake. You can decide to use just the chopped mangoes. Now I'm going to gently place my chicken chunks on the spread that I have. I'll be squeezing some fresh lemon juice for that freshness, and then I'll drizzle some honey for that sweetness. I love seeds a lot, so I'm going to be topping with black seeds, and this is ready to eat. Would you rather have this alone or pair with something else? Please share with me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.